this is the mechanical power input, and for mechanical hydraulic power input, what we need for hydraulic power, there was a flow rate, Q, and head. So for head and flow rate, there is a 1 meter. This one the recording flow rate you can see from here, and there is a head. For the head, there is a manual system of measuring this head of this the water level from which level the machine. You can see here that there is an inlet valve in the machine. There is a inlet and there is another outlet. You can see here. This one is outlet, and here this one is inlet. Okay, so you can see this one is point, inlet point. You can measure the pressure from this inlet, and inlet pressure you can measure from this point, and you can see this point is connected here. This point is connected with this dial. This is the inlet pressure, and similarly outlet pressure you can find from here, and this is actually pound per inch square. Pound per inch square or kg per centimeter square, and you can convert it into Newton meter square standard system. You can convert it, and inlet and outlet pressure and the difference you can find the difference, and then you can calculate the different parameters of the power input and output power. Okay, and this one related to here, and now the next one is what's the output. You can see there is a shaft power mechanical output. You can see this machine shaft is this one, and this shaft is coupled with the generator. This shaft, here is the Francis turbine, here is this part is the generator, and this generator part and this Francis turbine is coupled through the help of shaft, and this shaft power will be transferred to this generator, and this generator you can see here there is a RPM meter. We need N. For the P out we need N. This RPM meter you can see, just this is the manual RPM meter. With the help of this belt, when shaft will rotate, you will see the RPM N here, and then generator will rotate, and this synchronous generator when rotate, and you can switch on different loads, these 3 loads, and the bulb will be on. This is the electrical power of the generator, and you can see the voltage with the help of voltmeter, AC voltmeter, and 3-phase currents of each phase. Each phase is connected with the ammeter. So the product of voltage and current, you can find the frequency also here, and you can find the output power, electrical power of the generator. So this is the overall mechanism of this turbine, Francis reaction turbine. And now the water, for the water system,